Welcome to Glowy in Hawaii. Today we'll show you how it is like to live in a very small island. So come and we will show you the finest sand, the bluest skies, the wide seashore, and the beautiful turquoise ocean view all in one place. This is the Bellows Beach. This beach is located in the Oahu Island just outside the town of Waimanalo. This beach is a government-owned and is being used by National Guards and Marines. So, before you come and enjoy this beach, make sure to check because this beach is sometimes closed for trainings and exercises. Hawaii is also known as a rainbow state, and that's probably because almost every after rain, a beautiful rainbow will show up immediately.
Future like this.
And there, our baby girl is enjoying the waves and the life here in the island. She loves to boogie board and she wants to be a surfer someday. Here is the view of the whole beach. As you can see, it's a nice wide seashore with beautiful sand, with beautiful view. So if you got to come in Hawaii, visit Bellows Beach and make sure to check the schedule before coming in this beach. Please, if you like our videos, please leave us a thumbs up. You can subscribe so you can watch our future videos, and you can leave your comment below and we will be happy to reply in all of your questions. Thank you for watching, guys, and enjoy your day.